name is Miss Jessica. I'm a children's programmer at the Thompson branch of the Central Arkansas Library System, and we are going to read a book about dogs today. I love dogs, and I bet a lot of you do too. And today we're going to read a book about a dog and a cat. Now, the dog is moving into a new home. He's a new arrival, and the cat is going to have to adjust her life. This is a book called Princess Puffybottom and Darryl. Have you ever had someone move into your house and you had to adjust? Or maybe a new brother or sister came home? It can be rough. Here we go. We'll see how they deal with it. Princess Puffybottom and Darryl by Susin Nielsen and Olivia Mueller. Princess Puffybottom had the perfect life. Her subjects served her delicious meals. If they were late, she gave them a firm but gentle reminder. They also took care of more delicate matters. In return, Princess Puffybottom permitted some petting, and she humored them once in a while. Life was good. Until the day Darryl arrived. He was horrible. He was disgusting. He was an animal. Ugh, what's he doing? Yuck. Let's see. Princess Puffybottom knew he would not last. Darryl would be banished. It was only a matter of time. So she waited while he tore up the papers. And she waited while he chased his tail. And waited while he ate her dinner. And waited. Yuck, he's going to the bathroom. Finally, the day arrived. Her subjects left with Darryl, and they were gone for a very long time. Princess Puffybottom celebrated. She just knew that they were taking him to a faraway kingdom. Her subjects eventually returned. Oh, look, she tore up his stuff. Wow. Her subject finally returned with Darryl. Princess Puffybottom was not amused. Princess Puffybottom knew that something had to be done. I feel bad for Darryl. Princess Puffybottom is not very nice to him, huh? Yeah. She tried hypnosis. I think she's trying to get one of her subjects to put him up for sale. She tried trickery. What's she done? She gave him one of their shoes so he would tear it up and get in trouble. She tried sabotage. What's she done? Did she go on the floor and blame Darryl? Oh my gosh, Princess Puffybottom, what are you doing? Nothing worked. Darryl was here to stay. Princess Puffybottom was sad, and no one seemed to notice, except Darryl. He was very annoying. He followed her everywhere. Darryl was not bright. Darryl was not sophisticated. but he had his uses. Okay, so they're starting to get along a little bit. She's still not being very nice though, huh? And Darryl worshipped her. He put her on a pedestal. Darryl loves her so much. So Princess Puffybottom tolerated Darryl most of the time. Life was good again. At least her subjects wouldn't be bringing home any more surprises. I think Princess Puffybottom might get surprised. Because what did they have? They brought home a baby. The end. How do you think Princess Puffybottom is going to handle the baby? She wasn't very nice to Darryl, huh? Maybe she'll learn something and be a little nicer to the baby. For now, did you like that story? I think it's kind of funny. Princess Puffybottom is a funny name, isn't it? But for now, we are going to learn how to make a easy dog puppet with stuff that you are going to have just around your house. Scrap paper, basically. So hold on for that, and we'll switch right over. Thanks. Bye.